Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have a messy kitchen, but what I'm going to show you is something cool. It's not necessarily going to clean my kitchen, but it will add to something that will make it better. So this is what I get here. So it's going to be a rack that'll fit onto that somehow. So let's see what it looks like. So it comes with all these pieces and parts. It comes with the sponge, comes with the rack, comes with some pieces and parts, and let's see how it works. So I guess it's going to go. Boy, it didn't have any instructions, but we're gonna figure this out. So let's see. I'm guessing it's going to, let's see. I guess these are gonna be adapters, but it's gonna, looks like it's gonna go like this. How do I get it in there? I'll probably twist, no? Do it this way? Okay. Okay, so at first it goes in like this, and I guess that's how it's gonna snap onto this, like that, and then it goes around this, and then it will rotate on. And I'm guessing these are adapters to make it fit the right size. So let's see if I push this in there. Is that gonna be the right size? Probably. Maybe not. I guess I need the other one in there too. So we got this one, we got this one, and now we got this little one in here too. Now it's 3 deep, so it's pretty deep. Although I guess I did it upside down maybe. Whatever. So let's try this here. Maybe it goes the other side. Maybe it's gonna go that way. Yeah, maybe once I put it on there. Try this, if it goes on there, and then this goes on this side to hold it into place. So I'm gonna go back out to the smaller one here. Put this on. Maybe that's gonna hold it. Okay. I guess that's kind of how it works, like that. And then it's got a little rack and a shelf. So there, I can put my soap up there, and it doesn't get in the way of the handles. Seems pretty cool to me. Thumbs up for me. What do you think? I'll put a link to it in the description. Be sure to like and subscribe.